everyone. Today I would like to tell a little bit more about IKEA to all of you. IKEA in Indonesia is run under franchise by Dairy Farm Group to a publicly listed company called PT Hero Supermarket Tbk. PT Hero Supermarket Tbk is a company which operates Hero Supermarket, a giant hypermart as well as Guardian drugstore. And Dairy Farm Group owns the majority of stock at PT Hero Supermarket Tbk, and it also runs the franchise of IKEA in Taiwan and Hong Kong. The first store of IKEA in Indonesia was opened in 2014 in Alam Sutra. It then launched its online store in 2016. Currently, another store is projected to be opened next year in Jakarta Garden City. IKEA business model is low-cost strategy. They strive to keep their price as low as possible and continue innovating on how to reduce this price further, and they even have this separate section on their website called the new lower price. They also try to reduce the delivery fee from 199,000 for 300 kg to 99,000. Then the question comes, how are they able to do this? It's through the IKEA concept, and customer actually plays a big part in it. Like what they say, we do our part, you do yours, and together we save money. Customer help by getting their own products from IKEA open concept warehouse and even assembling products from flat packages on their own. This way, IKEA can reduce costs as less manpower is needed to assemble the product, and also less inventory storage because their warehouse is part of the stores. This will result in lower prices for the customer. Also, IKEA reduces costs by optimizing its entire value chain through its suppliers, which are mainly part of IKEA Group, with factories in different parts of the world like in Sweden, Vietnam, and also Indonesia itself. They depend on highly automated production and producing large volumes to keep the price low. There are some comparable companies in Indonesia itself. They also sell home living goods as well as furniture, such as Homegrown Ace Hardware or another Scandinavian brand called JYSK. However, both competitors, in my opinion, do not offer the same shopping experience as what IKEA offers, with its walk-in warehouses as well as a store setting which provides inspiration how you can arrange your own home space. In terms of financial performance, IKEA Indonesia does not disclose in detail, but a financial report from Hero Group stated that IKEA, alongside Guardian, had a solid performance last year. A representative from IKEA also stated that they had 10% profit margin, with 90% still coming from the physical store in Alam Sutra. Globally, IKEA is not a publicly listed company. Why? Because the founder wanted total independence and a long-term ownership structure, so IKEA franchise system was established instead. Locally in Indonesia, what Hero Group does was converting giant hypermart store, which is not doing well in terms of sales, into a new IKEA store. So instead of acquiring new land and property, Hero Group played around with their own asset.